So we are heading out for a movie, and since my Soul Store package arrived, I thought why not try style them. So these essentially got here for me to upcycle, but I need to try them on first. So today she's going to style her. Let's unbox first. So these are the two sweatshirts that I got. So my initial plan was to style one piece today, but she said she wanted to wear one, and so we're gonna twin. We are both gonna wear these sweatshirts.
We are going to embarrass the people.
Embarrass ourselves.
So I'm going to style this green parachute pants for her and this blue denim jeans for myself.
So we styled this neck chain, and she styled her wedding chain like that. Also, these t-shirts are Dungeon and Dragon inspired. So, period. So we also went for these dragon rings. Both are dragons. So now we are ready.
Ready?
Fit check. Period.